What you see behind me is Ola's Gigafactory, India's first lithium-ion cell manufacturing facility. Spread over 100 acres, this facility is designed to eventually have 100 gigawatt-hour of annual capacity. This Gigafactory is one of the world's first to commercially manufacture the next-generation cylindrical 4680 technology.
This revolutionary cell technology is developed by over 300 scientists, PhDs, and scholars at the Battery Innovation Center, where we pioneer cell research and development and engineer everything from fundamental battery materials to the battery pack.
Over the past 3 years, our team of experts has dedicated to advancing next-generation battery technologies, achieving breakthroughs in the development of all solid-state batteries and sodium-ion cells. With over 350 patents, we are leading the charge in energy research and development in the country, having filed the highest number of patents in new energy and technology in 2023.
Our research lays the groundwork for not just the cell manufacturing, but also for new manufacturing processes, enabling mass cell manufacturing operations at the Ola Gigafactory.
Our initial phase, operational today, can produce 1.5 gigawatt-hour of capacity with plans to scale to 5 gigawatt-hour within this financial year. The current capacity can already power 500,000 of our beloved S1s. These NMC 4680 cells and other chemistries and form factors that we build here will not only power our automobile, but also change how we power our homes and the grid itself. We have engineered a cutting-edge dry coating process for our electrode manufacturing. This innovative method shrinks our factory size, reduces capital cost, and minimizes our environmental impact. The winding and the assembly lines are one of the most advanced, operating without any manual intervention. The manufacturing of these jelly rolls, which forms the core part of our cell, is an engineering marvel, with our engineers and operators working with an unparalleled precision down to 1/20th the width of a human hair. Every raw material used in these cells undergoes meticulous analysis for crystal structure, moisture content, impurities, and other key aspects in our world-class labs, ensuring purity, performance, and reliability. Each cell is uniquely coded for end-to-end traceability, passing through cameras, X-rays, and other metrology systems at every stage, totaling to almost 70 checks before reaching final formation and end-of-line quality inspection.
These achievements are a result of the tireless effort of our engineering team
And our dedicated all-women workforce at the factory.
This is India's giant leap into the future of energy.
And it all begins with a cell.